Okay. It's a lot harder going uphill, isn't it? You gotta really pedal hard.
Let's walk down over the police car.
Okay, let's go look.
I can see the police car. And I had to go back to the pole.
What?
Then I had to go back to the on pole.
Yeah, Santa had to go back to the North Pole, that's right. But he brought you a new bike. Here, let's get out of the way. There's a car coming. Car coming. Okay. Let's see, there's a car. You gotta get out of the way for cars. Okay. Let's pedal. More car. Okay, let's go check it out. The police car way down there. Chris loves this police car. He's got his own wheels, man. All right, can you say bye-bye to the camera?